Model, 2014 Mercedes Sprinter curtain side Luton. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 212567. MOT, the 13th of January 2025. Engine, 2143 cc. Transmission. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Check engine light on the dash. DPF is blocked, will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean with loads of life left in it. Rear load area is very clean, as are the curtains themselves. Genuine honest work van, and with just a little bit of mechanical TLC will be back in perfect condition. Features: 2 keys, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.